We continue to hear about COVID-19 every day and have become desensitized because of it. But health officials are warning we still need to take precautions to help prevent the spread of the disease. Fox 55's Caleb Saylor has more on what they had to say.
All three hospital systems in the area are warning that COVID-19 hasn't gone away. They say since Memorial Day, the number of cases each day has climbed. This is especially true for Parkview Health, says Chief Medical Officer Jason Rowe.
Over the past 3 weeks or so, we've actually seen double the number of patients hospitalized for COVID-19 every day. In fact, those numbers are much higher than they were in the early days of the pandemic in March and April.
The health experts want people to still continue steps to help limit the spread of the disease, especially wearing a mask. Doctors have noticed that fewer people are wearing masks while out in public than before. Regional Chief Medical Officer Vishal Bhatia with Lutheran says that's a risky move.
The younger people who are out and about in the community, if they don't wear the mask, they can contact the disease. They can bring it home to their loved ones. And if they take appropriate measures, you prevent the spread in the community.
IU Health Fort Wayne Chief Medical Officer Jeff Randolph believes wearing a mask is the #1 tool to help limit the spread of the virus.
It gives our scientists an opportunity to develop medications and decide what medications are effective. It gives our scientists a chance to develop and test and make sure that vaccines are appropriate and that they are going to be actually useful to us when they are brought out.
All three believe the months ahead are critical to keep cases from spiking and filling up intensive care units, as has happened in other parts of the country. In Fort Wayne, Caleb Saylor, Fox 55 News.
All hospital systems say they do not believe the protests are the cause of the case numbers increasing, but more so the reopening of the state since Memorial Day weekend.